Hello. So it's the middle of the day. I don't normally record in the middle of the day because I'm working. I'm supposed to be working. It's 1 minute to 1 in the afternoon, and it's Tuesday, the 2nd of September, and it's a sad day because Dump It is being picked up in about an hour. Dump It, you know, my little 106. It's outside. Look, it's outside. Can you see? No, look, Dump It. It's outside. Look, we've got this Daihatsu which I've got to drive now. Anyway, it's a weird day because I'm supposed to be getting rid of a car, which I am. A chap called Ben is coming down to take Dump It away. He's already paid for it. I'm putting the paperwork together now, and I've just realised I've bought the wrong V5 for Dump It. I still have an old one for some reason, which I found in the service history, so I'm going to have to try and figure that one out. That's my problem, not yours. What's also my problem, not yours, is that, well, it's a kind of weird situation. When Ben Ben bought the car within very little time of it being advertised. He bought it and paid for it within 20 minutes of first emailing me, I think. It was very quick. And the first email he said, or the first email I read, it said, would you take a car in exchange? And I said, I'm not looking for part exchange. I just need the money. What he actually meant was, can I just give you a car? So he's buying a car. He's bought the car. He even paid me more for it than I asked for. But then he's going to give me a car at the same time. And I am now officially a charity. I might as well get a number. But he's giving me a car basically because he can't be asked to drive it home again. He's driving down from Yorkshire. He's coming down a very long way. I mean, that's like another country. And it's cheaper, I'm guessing, for him to drive down and just abandon the car. So I'm being given a car. Now, I know what type of car it is, model. But I don't know anything else. The age, the mileage, the condition, the colour, the engine, I don't know. So I may be getting a car off someone that I just end up scrapping straight away. He's already said to me in the emails, because I was like, well, what do I do with this car? Do I just give it away? He's already said to me in the emails, no, I support your channel, sell it, make money off it, sell it. I mean, what? There are nice people still out there, imagine that. But I'm kind of stuck. I don't know what to do. This is a weird situation to be in. So, yeah, I will pick up the camera again when it's here, outside. And I don't know, what do? Do I call the scrap man and just get some money back for scrap? Do I sell it? I suppose I should wait and see what it's like first, shouldn't I? I think he's pretty much hinted it's not worth getting excited about. So, everyone calm your boots. We're not going to get excited about this yet. But for now, I'm going to go and spend the next hour wallowing in pity that Dump It is leaving, and I'm very sad about that. Oh, that's sad. So it's a sad time. Dump It has left. Dump It has gone. And I've been left with a car. What sort of car is it? I mean, I'm looking at it now. I wouldn't get too excited. I don't think this is going to be one to keep or do much with, except maybe try and clean it up, tidy it up, make it look a bit prettier, make it a bit nicer for someone, and then see if they want to buy a cheap car. The guy who's given it to me has encouraged me to sell it, do what I can with it. I kind of think it's one of those situations where it's only really worth what I put into it in terms of the time that goes into it and any expenses and things. But looking at it, I can see there's a couple of bits I could do. Not massively excited about doing them, but for the first time in my life, I own Vauxhall. Yes, so this is a Vauxhall Zafira. It is grey. It's wheels. It has doors. They work. See? It's a little bit dirty. But that's fine. It's been used as a kind of a tool as opposed to something that someone was going to get much joy out of. apparently it was a police spec Zafira at one point. It was ordered new by the police. That is in the paperwork. I have not looked at that yet. Do you know? It's making the Syrian look interesting. So I believe what we have here is a wet Zafira because I had the doors open and it got wet inside when it rained. This is a Zafira 1.6 petrol. It is a sea of plastic. Ooh, rubbery plastic. It is grey there, and grey there, and grey there, and there, and kind of in the middle. But in the back, it's... Oh no, it's grey as well. Yeah, so the chap who's basically, nice guy who's just basically given me this car because I don't think he could be asked to sell it for the relatively low value it would be worth. He's owned this car a little while. He's used it. He's basically said that it's not something he ever really kind of fell in love with, but it's done him a solid turn. I think it's a reliable car, a usable car. It's not one I'm particularly excited about, but I have never owned a Vauxhall. Although if you're a European viewer, it's Opel you're looking at. I don't know what else to say. I can't drive it at the moment, although I don't think that's a bad thing, because it's not taxed. That's right. I was thinking, why can't I drive it? Tax, because they put it in my name, and I'm not going to tax it yet because, well, like, why would I? How do you look at the bonnet? Shall we have a look at the engine? It's got leaves in it. How do you open this? Oh, there it is. There's an engine. I think it might want a drive belt. That looks a bit sad. I'm sure we can do that. Coolant looks healthy. I don't actually think it needs much. I mean, I've not driven it. It might need something, but that's when the time belt was done. Oh, good. The number is worn. Like the important number is worn away. Is that 2023? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. It's got holes there. That's kind of interesting. Yeah. I thought I was going to clunk shut. There you go. I need to give the headlamps a bit of a magic buff. They look better than they are on the camera there. It's because it's rained. They're actually worse than that. They're quite yellow. Yeah. I mean, I haven't really got much I can say about it. It's just there, isn't it? Like clouds. This is a cloud car. So I'm not trying to be all like mean and clever. The guy, I think he kind of appreciated that this is not the most exciting car in the world. I think it's probably just served him, how would you say it? A turn? Doesn't make any sense. A turn? A job? It's done a thing. It's been a thing for him. I don't think it's going to be a thing for me. I don't really see any need for it. I don't need to replace the S-Max. We've already done that with something newer. Although something that's done twice the mileage of this. Yeah, about 101,000 miles, 102,000 miles, 1.6 petrol. I don't know what to do with it. I honestly don't know what to do with it. It seems like I should just sell it. What I would actually quite like to do is start trading up. I'd like to take a car and kind of work my way through buying cars that need some like little repairs done to them. So I buy them and then I repair them and then I sell them or raffle them or whatever. But I've done something to them along the way, and then obviously, ideally maybe not Zafiras. That's not kind of the thing I had in mind. But like I did that Ignis Sport dyno the other day. Or what if a cheap Ignis Sport came up and it needed like a bit of welding and something or other? I could do all that and own an Ignis Sport for a little bit at the same time, and then sell it and earn a little bit of money from it, and therefore it's paying for itself as well. It'd be a sensible thing to do with the facilities I've got. I'm kind of thinking, do I start doing that? I mean, you can say like, oh, you don't need more things to do on your plate. No, I don't. But that's kind of not just like aimless. There's no. It's not like that's pointless. It's like no, there is a point to it. You're trading up. Could that be the start of that? That's a sensible family car if you've got no money, because that's a cheap car. That is not worth much at all. So, but I could start with that, sell that, and then, I mean, the first thing to do with that would be give it a service. I think he said that it hasn't had its oil changed for a long time. Give it a damn good clean, because he admitted basically, he's like, yeah, I don't clean it. It's disgusting. Just felt no like urge to clean it because it's just not a cherishable thing. But yeah, cleaned up, serviced, and then drive it and see what other issues pop up. I could just tax it, but there's no point. I've got dump it 2, which is technically this is what this is, dump it 2. Yeah, so what do? You've been given a Vauxhall. You've put it in the comments, right? You've been given a Vauxhall Zafira, and you have a small YouTube channel like I do. What would you do? What would you do with that car? Except burn it. Don't say burn it, because like it's bad for the environment. But what else? What would you do? What would you do? Do something. Can't do anything fun. Can't do banger rallies with it because it'll just do it. It's just a car. It's not fun. What can I do that's meaningful with that? That also like isn't charitable, because I can't afford to be charitable at the moment. Answers on a postcard or in the comments. That's probably the better place to put them. No, don't send a postcard. Put them in the comments. But there you go. I own a Vauxhall. That's the announcement. I own a Vauxhall. I don't have dump it anymore, and I now own a Vauxhall for the first time in my life, and I feel completely indifferent about it.